Okay, so the first one is a really specific sentence, so you might want to focus on every detail of the movement that I do. Ready?
Yes, all right.
Okay.
That's the water. Okay. The boat maybe? Quite fast. Is that a puppet? The boat and the puppet?
Oh, well, this was actually supposed to be a bird. It's something from your syllabus. Can you guess it?
Sarah screen.
Close.
Swan?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Can
The
you see
boat.
the neck of the swan?
But it looks like a puppet to me, Anushka.
That's all right. It doesn't have to be extremely literal. But yeah, what I was trying to say is that the boat moved through the water like the swan.
That's from the stolen boat.
That's correct. Okay, so the second one is highly contextual because you see this typically used in classical dance forms. So I'm going to go like really slow for you. Yeah?
That
Works?
seems difficult.
Maybe. Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oval? Light coming out of it. Why are you chopping things, Anushka? Earrings and diamond earrings.
Okay, most of your guesses were right. So light coming out of an oval is basically the sun. So what I'm trying to say is her jewels glittered like the light of 1,000 suns. That's why I was showing that there were multiple suns in the sky.
Quite specific to classical dancing, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, so the third and final one. It's quite simple actually, but there are a lot of possibilities with that movement, so you might want to focus on making a sentence out of it. Yeah?
Yes,
Ready?
let's do this. Yes.
Okay.
Something is coming out of your mouth. Are you referring to Krishna?
Okay, let's stick with just the movement and not the character.
Flute, maybe?
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, so what I was referring to here was the sound of somebody's voice. So maybe we could go with a sentence like, the sound of her voice was as sweet or as sweet as the music of the flute. So this is basically for someone who has a higher pitched voice maybe, which is also like really sweet sounding. So that was what I was going for.
Great simile, I guess.
Alright, that was fun. I hope it was for you as well, Padma.
Yes, can you also make it easier for me?
I can definitely try. And also we hope to touch a lot of other figures of speech in the coming videos, series, and we'll see you there next time. Until then, please
Like, share and subscribe.
thank you.